Some extras before the school burned down. Yeah. Oh crap! Oh crap! I need to save these kids! I gotta... Maybe Freddy would help. Stop it, Freddy Krueger! I know your sweater is dear to you, but you can't do that to me! Maybe? No, not that. That's not gonna work. Sorry. No! A phone! A phone! What? Look! There's no battery in it! Curse you, phone, and your stupid phone friends that have no batteries! Oh, maybe I could put on my thinking glasses. Oh crap, I lost my freaking gun! Oh crap, they fell, I can't get them! My freaking arms are too stubby! Help! Somebody help! Get out, candy, before it's too late! And that was the extras.